Are you looking for the best printers for art prints and artists in 2022? In this video we will look at some of the best printers for art prints and artists in 2022 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Epson ET8550. The Epson ET8550 is a professional art printer that delivers high turnout at a low per print cost. Thanks to its ink tanks, which come equipped to print over 3,000 pages, it has a much lower ink cost than other cartridge-based systems. If you are a professional artist that wants to keep an eye on ongoing costs, this is the printer for you. While its price is higher than some on this list, it's not the most expensive at all. We think this is the perfect, sweet spot between price and value, hence we recommend it at the top of our list. Professional media handling, simple front-loading paper trays for standard and AMP photographic papers. Even a straight-through paper feeder for thicker posterboard and fine art papers. EcoTank Photo ET8500 High-Res Flatbed Scanner, native 4800 dpi 48-bit flatbed scanner for professional color and black and AMP white scanning and copying. EcoTank Photo ET8500 Full Color Touch Panel Display, beautiful 4.3-inch touch panel display for simple printer status, maintenance, and even PC-free printing. EcoTank Photo ET8500, a connection for everyone. Connect with Ethernet, USB, Wi-Fi, or SD card, plus the Epson Smart Panel app lets you print from virtually anywhere using your iOS or Android devices. Actual savings and costs will vary considerably based on print tasks, print volumes and usage conditions. Savings and cost per ISO 24712 page are based on the cost of replacement ink bottles and the cost of enough standard cartridges to achieve the total page yields of the bottles using the MSRP, USD, and yields for Epson standard capacity ink cartridges for similarly featured Epson consumer inkjet printers as of April 2022. At number 2. Epson brand SureColor P900. With 10 different inks, including violet, the SureColor P900 gives you better quality pictures full of clarity and depth. With 2 specific nozzles for matte black and photo black, there's no need for swapping out one for the other. Furthermore, this printer has carbon black driver technology, which allows for increased density of black on even glossy paper. With an optional roll feeder, it also can print sheets of 17 x 129 inches. Speaking of size, this printer measures 14.7 x 18.6 x 29.3 inches and weighs approximately 20 kilograms. These dimensions are 30% smaller than other printers in its class, making them ideal for home printing. The SureColor also features a 4.3 touch screen you can customize to get the same kind of prints every time. It can also accommodate a variety of paper, including sheet media 1.5 mm thick. Print jobs from this device last an incredibly long time, with colors that refuse to fade for 200 years. At number 3. Canon PIXMA Pro 200. It is a high-performance wireless photo printer and standalone inkjet. It has copia features with intuitive touch screen controls, allowing printing in large format to A3 and sheets of 13 inches x 19 inches. Its print quality is good in both gray and color scales, so even if you've done a digital black and white painting, your print will stand out. It allows 50 printing sheets with AirPrint to smartphones through wireless connectivity. It has an optimum image generating system, so your colors will look true to how you painted them when you print. It's also compatible with various operating systems, so even if you have an older system or upgrade after buying the printer, there won't be any hiccups. If you have more experience with non-art printers and want to make the switch, this printer is close enough to a standard model that you shouldn't have issues, making it perfect for beginners learning the ropes. At number 4. Epson Expression Photo XP 970. I have placed this wireless color photo printer at the top of this list, as it is hard to beat in terms of performance. Its compact and innovative design means you can place it anywhere in your workspace. This model from Epson is a printer with a scanner and copier. Due to these features, it has 2 front paper trays, one A for size and the other for photos. There is also a tray for special papers found in the back for thicker substrates. It is specifically designed to use original ink cartridges from Epson. The continuous system 3-in-1 inkjet printing technology makes nearly identical color copies. The highest printing speed is 8.5 ppm for black and white copies. Your ink costs are high, but using generic cartridges could cause damage not covered by the manufacturer. The expense of the original ink system is worth it for its tones, details, and shades. It has a high-resolution scanner and intelligent motorized paper input tray of print quality compatible with printing on A3 and A4 size paper. You can print from the photographic paper tray using smartphones, PCs, and laptops. There's a power button next to a control panel, which is a 10.9 cm color LCD touch screen for operation or interaction. At number 5. HP Envy Pro 6475. This inkjet printer from HP provides all-in-one capabilities for printing, scanning, copying, and auto document feeding. Thanks to the HP Smart app, you can also do any of these tasks from any room in your house or even another building. If you have problems with connectivity, this printer has self-healing dual-band Wi-Fi, meaning it will automatically search for problems and try to correct them, so you don't have to. The flatbed scanner makes it easy to upload up to 35 sheets of photos or art at a time, helped along by the auto document feeder. The Envy Pro can accommodate a range of sheet sizes, from 3 by 5 inches to 8.5 by 11.7 inches. With purchase, you also get 2 years of ink cartridges delivered to your door. This deal rides on the assumption that you will print an average of 100 pages per month.